Okay, another shorty. I was digging around the dungeon, trying to come up with stuff to take to Dayton Hamvention, and here is a Blackcat JB-75A 1-tube mobile amplifier. Uses 8417. Has a Sylvania 8417 tube in it. Those tubes go for 50 or 100 bucks. That Sylvania 8417 tube in it, original tube, so I'm not going to take it out and swap tubes or anything. Blackcat JB75. Only thing I did to it is I replaced the electrolytic caps in it. Otherwise it's working. Running it off a 12 volt power supply. I got this 12 volt switching power supply here off Amazon for cheap. And if you can see the meter there, trying to cover the light because it's shaded a little bit or glare, but it's at 12.7 volts resting, and no, that's 12.17 volts resting, and it'll drop down to about 12 when I key it down. So just running it on a little 12 volt power supply. Only got 1 or 2 watts going into it, and 8417 tube. This is one of the later versions of the JB75 with the circuit board in it there. Mobile 1-tube modulator type amplifier. Watts going in on the left, watts coming out on the right. They both are on peak. Peak watts going in on the left, peak watts out going on the right, going into a dummy load. And I guess that's enough talking. That's it. This will be quick, right? So on the left, dead keying 1.5, swinging about 2.5. Audio, whistling to about 2. Audio, hardly any watts going in it. And then again on peak, about 20 watts. Dead key. Audio. Swinging to about 45, maybe 50 on peak. You know, these are normally swinging machines, but again, that's the watts going in on peak, and then that's the watts going out. So it's swinging more going out than it is going in. That whining you hear is how the amplifier chops up the DC and chops it up and turns it into simulated AC. And on these tube amplifiers that have the choppers in there, that's the noise that they're gonna make. All right, that's it for that one. Just, you know, showing you what it do with the original 8417 tube. Bye.